Welcome to Drew Tutorial, guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove or change photos from a YouTube thumbnail using Canva, of course. Now, as you can see here in my file explorer here, I have two thumbnails, right? And these two thumbnails here, if you can look towards the right hand side, also make these pictures larger, you can see that they both include images, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to use Canva to change or remove those images so that you can make something of your own as well, right? So the first thing you want to do once you open up Canva, you want to find the size for thumbnail, right? You can simply use a search to type in thumbnails, and once you start to type in thumbnails, you will see YouTube thumbnail, and the size is 1280 by 720, right? So you can click on that. And now from here, click on create a blank thumbnail. And once you're here, all you have to do is go ahead and upload the thumbnails that you would like to change or remove those images for. As I said, I have two images and I'm going to drag those two images here, right? So these are my two thumbnails. Now, before I start utilizing the tools to remove or change those thumbnails, in order to use those tools that allows you to remove and change those images, it requires Canva Pro. So if you're new and you haven't yet started to use Canva, you can get a 1 month free trial and you can start using Canva Pro. Otherwise, you'll have to purchase Canva Pro so that you can utilize some of those magic tools that they have that allows you to do this, right? Now, first, let me start with this first thumbnail here. You can simply drag it on here, and once you drag it on, you will see that you have the thumbnail available and there's the image. Now, let's say I want to remove or change this image of this guy. I can simply ensure that I click on the thumbnail, then click on edit image on the upper left hand side here. Then you have those different apps under the Magic Studio, and as you can see, there's a crown beside each of these options or tools here, and it means it requires Canva Pro, right? So what you'll need to do is to get or remove the image, and to do that you want to use the magic grab. And as you can see, each of these different tools show you from those imagery what it can do. So magic grab will allow you to get the image, so we'll click on magic grab. Now once you click on the magic grab, you can select the brush or you can do the click, right? So I'm going to use the click option and I'm going to select what I want to remove. So once I start to hover over it, you will see it start to highlight what I can grab. So I'm going to simply click on this guy here, and as you can see, it highlights him, and I'm going to click the word grab towards the left hand side, this grab button. Now this is going to grab this guy out of the image, and it will take a moment to process. And as you can see, it grabs him and I can now move him from this image. How amazing is that? Now let's say I don't want it at all, I want to get rid of him. I can simply click and delete because it's selected. It will leave the picture a little bit, not so pretty, but once you replace it with your own image, it should be perfectly fine, right? Now what I'm going to do is go to image, and let's say I would like to replace him with another guy. So I can say geek pointing or something like that, or we'll get a guy, and let's say I would like to use, maybe let's try this person. So you can click, for example, this picture here of this kid, right? And what you can do is, I see that the head requires the head. Let me go ahead and make it maybe something like this. And let's say I want to get rid of the background because this doesn't work well. So in order to remove the background from this image, you can simply ensure that you click on it, then click on the edit again, and this time you want to use the BG remover. So click on the BG remover and it will remove this background of the current picture that you need to use now. Now once that is removed, as you can see, it's removed, and I now have this kid here on it, and you can leave it as is if you like it like that. Otherwise, you can simply go ahead and you can click on it again, and you can choose some of the filters here from this side to make it stand out the way how you want. But this is just a typical example how you can use the magic grab and also background remover to replace or change the image from a YouTube thumbnail and make it something of your own. Now, what if you want to remove the text? The same, right? You can simply go ahead and click on the text. If you like to change the text, you can simply use the text or the grab text, and you can select the text that you want. As you can see, it highlights which text. So if I want to change any viewer, I can click on that, click and grab, and it will basically allow me to remove the text. So that's how easy it is. So you can change this and you can put whatever you want. So let's say I don't want that, I can remove it, and I can put whatever I want there. If I don't want to put any text, I can leave it blank as is. Right, so guys, this is the first one. I'm gonna use the second image, so let me click the new page here and let's go back to my uploads and show you, for example, how it works with the second picture. So I'm gonna drag this over here. Let's say I want to remove and change this mouse. I can change this entirely by simply clicking on the entire image, click on edit again, and I'm going to simply use the magic grab again, and I will simply go ahead and click on the mouse. You will see it, and it remove the hand, but I want the entire thing to be removed, so I click on that as well, then click and grab, and it will easily go ahead and load up and allow me to remove the mouse there, and I will replace it with another mouse, right, something else. So let's say I don't like this one, I can easily go ahead and remove it. See, it's there. I can click and delete, and this time I will search for, let's say, a better mouse. So I can simply type in computer mouse, and this time you see it gives me something else. So let's say I want to use this one, I can put that there, right? So there you have it. I now have a different mouse that I want, and I can make it the way I want. And that's it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and change or remove any image on any YouTube thumbnail that you want. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.